Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Sowmya. In this channel, I'll teach SQL, Excel, Power BI, Python, and web technologies in English and Telugu with simple explanations and practical examples. So, this SQL complete course, class 1. So, even if you have never written a single SQL query before, this series is for you. If you want job oriented skills, please subscribe to the channel and let's start learning. So let me just quickly jump into the syllabus of our SQL course. So SQL complete course syllabus. Here I'll be giving the SQL syllabus and you please have a look of it. At the end of the video, I'll be adding the pics of the syllabus, and if you people want to note, you can note it. And here at the end of the course, from the beginner, you'll be in an advanced stage. So firstly, in my syllabus I have 12 modules, and till 10 modules are for the SQL, and the 11th module is for the real-time projects, and 12th module is for your interview preparation. So let me just quickly go into the modules. So here SQL fundamentals is the first module. This is the basics of the SQL. Here you will be learning what is data, database, or differences between database management and relational database management systems. That means DBMS and RDBMS. And we are learning SQL. Why? What is SQL first of all? We need to know, right? And types of databases. And here you will be learning SQL installation like MySQL Workbench or Oracle. And here we will be creating the first database, and in that we will be creating the tables, and the next one is data types in the SQL. Next, in the module 2, you will be knowing what are keys, and after learning that, you will be going to the what is primary key. You will be knowing what is foreign key, candidate key, composite key. And here when it comes for the constraints, we have, right, not null, primary key, foreign key, default, and check. These are the constraints in the SQL. You'll be knowing very detailed when we come to this module. The next third module is CRUD Operations. Here you will be learning about creating, inserting, selecting. You'll be using where clause. And next, here you will update the database, delete the database. Alter means making changes, means you will be knowing that, but altering and drop, differences between drop and truncate. What is drop, what is truncate, and between those two means they are similar, right? So you will be knowing the differences over there. And next, when it comes for the module 4, you will be having the operators, and here the operators are classified into, means different textbooks we have different types of modules. So here we have arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, special operators, set operators, and assignment operators. Here when it comes for the detailed detailed classification of operators in SQL, we'll be having concatenation operator. So you'll be knowing about this also at that module time. And next, module 5 is for filtering and sorting data. So you'll be knowing about order by, limit, distinct, and alias names also you'll be learning there. And when it comes for the module 6, aggregate functions, so here you will be learning max function, min function, count function, sum function, and average function. And also here we have another type, they are string functions, date functions, and mathematical functions. And module 7 we have grouping. So in SQL, grouping is done by two types, group by method and having clause method. So you will be learning there. And the important, very important topic, that is joins. Okay, in joins you will be having introduction to the joins there, and inner join, left join, right join, full join, self join, and cross join. And next, when it comes for the module 9, you will be learning the advanced SQL. So here you will be having subqueries, nested subqueries, views, indexes, stored procedures, functions. Here the functions are different, and before I said some functions, right, those are completely different. And here the next one is triggers. Next, in module 10, here you will be learning the normalization. Is the table normalized or not normalized, unnormalized or denormalized? You will be learning there. And asset properties and transactions, TCL and DCL commands, you will be learning there. And I said no, till 10th you will be till 10 modules you will be completing your SQL. And in 11th you will be doing your real-time projects like student management system, or employee database, or hospital management database, e-commerce database, like that. And when it comes for the module 2, you will be learning, you'll be knowing your interview preparations. Like here I will be giving the top 100 SQL questions and real-time scenarios of SQL. So this is the syllabus, this is the complete syllabus of your SQL course. And the next video will be starting with our syllabus. And that's all for SQL class 1. In the next class we will start with the syllabus. And if this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to learn with Sowmya. And comment for SQL started, so I know you are learning with me. Thank you guys, have a nice day. The complete syllabus of your SQL course. Next video will be starting with our syllabus. And that's all for SQL class 1. In the next class we will start with the syllabus. And if this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to learn with Sowmya. And comment for SQL started, so I know you are learning with me. Thank you.